I'm in the process of rebuilding my rag joint, and I've already kind of done it already. So first of all, you just need to get a rebuild kit, and the kit you get the joint itself, and then all the related nuts and bolts, and so the two pins and each of the bolts that are required. So what you got to do is, so here's the original. Okay, you've got to grind off these here. They're riveted on. So when these come off, I'll push it in just a little bit. I've already hammered them out. Okay, so they get ground off. Okay, so you've got both sides. And then you've got nuts. Okay, and then here we've got a ground. Okay, that grounds your steering box to your steering column. Mine broke, so it basically joins your steering column connection here to your steering box. So I looked online. I can't seem to find a new one, but if you basically just all you need to do is ground these two nuts together. So you can either just run a copper wire, branded copper wire to each one, trying to find a new one, or maybe make your own. I haven't yet decided what I'm going to do yet. And those nuts come off. Okay, there's the old joint. All right, so that's all ground down. So I'll clean this up and then see if I can find a new ground, or make my own, and then put that together. What you can do is, so clearly you can see how worn it was. There's the new one. Okay, and then when you're ready to reassemble it, this gets pounded back in there when everything's put together. Okay, fits in there pretty good. And then I don't know how I'm going to do it, but get a hammer and just pound the shit out of this thing and get that to flatten out. Or if you have a press or another way to get that flattened out, and then you're done. And you got yourself a rebuilt rag joint. So I'll update you guys later on this. I just wanted to give a review for myself to know what I'm doing. And then I'll come back and I'll show you what I did and tell you how I did it. But other than that, that is it.